Hi everyone, it's Allie. We've got a lot of new training courses this month, so let's take a look. First up, Microsoft Copilot and Agent Administration Fundamentals with James Conrad. AI is reshaping how IT teams work, and the pressure is on to deploy it safely, build on it fast, and defend it at every layer. Organizations everywhere are racing to roll out Copilot, but without proper governance, you're looking at data leaks, compliance gaps, and licensing costs that spiral out of control. This course walks you through Microsoft 365 governance, AI readiness, and how to deploy Copilot and AI agents without putting your security posture at risk. It also prepares you for the AB900 certification, Microsoft's entry point into AI-driven cloud administration. Next, it's Sean Wassell's ServiceNow Certified Application Developer Training. ServiceNow runs the operations, HR, and ITSM workflows of some of the biggest enterprises in the world. And those organizations constantly need developers who can build the custom apps that make that investment pay off. You'll go end-to-end, data models, user interfaces, workflow automation, and access control. If your team supports ServiceNow, this is the course that turns users into builders. And finally, Keith Barker takes you deep into Fortinet NSE 6 Network Security Support Engineer 7.6. This is hands-on CLI-level diagnostics for FortiGate environments. You'll work through security fabric, HA clusters, OSPF, BGP, VPN troubleshooting, and full traffic analysis, the kind of deep diagnostic work that separates engineers who can identify a problem from engineers who can actually fix it. Whether you're already in a Fortinet environment or stepping into one, this training gets you ready for what's waiting in the CLI. Thanks for watching! Subscribe here to get the latest from CBT Nuggets. And if you haven't yet, sign up for a free trial and check out everything CBT Nuggets training has to offer.